zero.
Speak up. I can't hear you.
Oh, ma'am, all right. You want to revisit your request to whether or not you wish to be assisted by public defender in this matter?
I don't know no more. I don't know. I really don't want to deal with y'all at all, honestly.
Well, wait a minute. Whether or not you want to deal with you all right now is not an option. The individual on the iPhone, can you please unmute yourself and tell me your name?
Marcina Foster.
Okay. Let's go. Ms. Silverstein, did you need a breakout room with Ms. Foster? Or?
It was my understanding she was pro per. I'm still logged on.
I apologize.
An attorney.
Ms. Foster, you don't have an attorney, is that right?
Correct.
Excellent.
All right, so let's go in the matter of People State of Michigan versus Marcina Foster, file 203302 SD. Let's have appearances. Ma'am, state your name. Ms. Foster, state your name, please.
Marcina Foster.
All right.
Kathy Miller, probation.
Very good. So we have this is for a probation violation. Ms. Foster, what is your intention here today?
My intentions here today is pretty much just get off probation. I've paid all my fines already. Everything's paid off. I don't understand why I have to keep complying with classes and stuff.
Well, we're here on an allegation that you failed to appear for a probation. There's a failed to appear for a probation violation. Let me see where you had several allegations of probation violation back in 21.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about those?
What I have to say about those is in 2021, I was currently residing in Detroit, Michigan. I've caught the charge in Allegan. My mother's address is the address that I use on my ID. So everything's getting mailed to my mother's address. I really wasn't even aware of every little thing. But honestly, I got shot in my back at the end of the summer in 2021. And I was trying to contact my probation officer and let her know that. And she was like really hard to get in contact with ever since I got shot, honestly. And she can tell you that I've contacted her even last year as well to let her know that I got shot as well. That was my first time speaking with her.
All right, Ms. Miller, were you advised that she was shot?
I don't recall being advised she was shot until recently. However, Marcina was shot later in the summer. She had already failed to comply with the requirements, which she will acknowledge. Probation's recommending 5 days jail and continue on probation 6 months.
For what purpose?
To comply with the requirements.
And that requirement being?
Counseling, victim impact panel.
Ms. Foster, have you attended the victim impact panel yet?
No.
Well, why not?
Honestly, because I was residing in Detroit, and then
It doesn't matter. You can do it. You can attend a victim impact panel in Detroit.
Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know. I wasn't aware of that.
But you need. Well, the reason you're not aware of that is because you're not communicating with your probation officer.
What you fail to realize, if I tried to communicate with her, I've tried to get in contact with her. I'm the reason why we've got in contact with each other. I'm the reason. I kept calling.
Well,
what am I supposed to do if someone doesn't call me back? Keep calling? Like, I don't understand.
Yeah, you're
That's
to appear.
what I did, though, until I got in contact with her.
All right, let's go back to this then. So is it indeed your plan then to plead guilty to these probation violations identified as failing to report on June 25th, 2021, failing to report, these were by mail on 7/25, 2021, failing to report in person on August 25th, 2021.
I was shot August 22nd. What?
Okay.
How was I going to report in person? I was
So
still
you're
in
saying,
the
all right,
hospital.
so you're actually saying that you wish to plead not guilty to that.
No, I'm not pleading guilty to that.
All right, well, I'm not trying to talk you into pleading guilty, ma'am. I'm asking you if you are pleading guilty.
Yeah, but I'm telling you right now, I literally was shot that week. That's why I never.
All right.
And
I have nothing in my file that indicates that. So that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this matter for hearing. You want to revisit your request to whether or not you wish to be assisted by public defender in this matter?
I don't know no more. I don't know. I really don't want to deal with y'all at all, honestly.
Well, wait a minute. Whether or not you want to deal with you all right now is not an option. The question is, do you want an attorney to assist you or not?
Okay.
All right, well, we'll do it appears that rather than answering my question, if she would like to be assisted by an attorney, we have been disconnected, so we'll just do a bench warrant for Ms. Foster.
For failing to,
Well, failing to attend and or contempt of court.
okay, thank you, Judge.
And the bench warrant will be for $1,000 cash.
Oh, looks like she's in the waiting room again. Do you want me to bring her back in? An iPhone is.
Yep.
She appears to have hung up again.
Let's see if she comes back again. Ask Miss Miller to come back in. Let's see if she tries to come back in. There, she hung up again. Nope.
Hello.
All right. Is
Yes,
Miss Foster?
my phone died. I'm sorry.
Well, that was a purposeful disconnection, Ms. Foster. I think we both know that. But I'm glad you came back because I was in the process of issuing a bench warrant. So I won't do that now. Now, my simple question to you is, do you wish to have an attorney to assist you in this? I'm going to reset it so that you can discuss it with an attorney if you'd like. But if you don't want an attorney, I'm not going to force it on you either. It's up to you, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to ask you to reach out. We're going to give you a telephone number. Do we have the number for the public defender's office?
(269-686-4720).
Speak up. I can't hear you.
Oh, ma'am. All right. This is my clerk trying to assist you. So if you're asking her to please speak up, that would be a nice way of approaching that. Would you please repeat the number?
269-686-4720.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
All right. Call them and ask them to assist you in this matter. They're going to have a few questions about whether you qualify or not, and that will be, we're going to reset this matter for a hearing when you have your attorney with you. You can leave the court. Call them today, though.